the world was once again shocked by a new chapter in the Russia-Ukraine war. In a sudden strike targeting the city of Kharkiv, Russia reportedly deployed a new precision weapon, the UMPB D-5, a smart glide bomb with a range of up to 100 kilometers. What's even more surprising is that this was the first time the bomb had ever been launched. Kharkiv, Ukraine's second-largest city, has been repeatedly targeted since the beginning of Russia's military operation in 2022. But this time, it's different. The attack marked the operational debut of the UMPB D-5, a long-range precision weapon that allows Russia to carry out airstrikes without entering Ukrainian airspace or risking anti-air systems. In the context of modern warfare, this is a deadly strategic move, avoiding danger while still dealing massive damage. As the news spread, the questions rise. What exactly is the UMPB D-5? How does it work? And why did this weapon catch the attention of global military analysts? Let's unfold it together. In the ongoing military operation between Russia and Ukraine, Kharkiv isn't a new thing on the battlefield. Since early 2022, Ukraine's second-largest city has been repeatedly targeted by military strikes. But nothing could have truly prepared the city for the latest attack that shocked the world. As reported by United 24 media, a massive explosion rocked the eastern part of Kharkiv. What's surprising is that it didn't come from an Iskander missile, nor from a Shahed drone as often seen before. This time, Russia deployed a newer, more advanced and deadlier weapon, the UMPB D-5. This wasn't just an ordinary explosive, it was a long-range precision glide bomb, reportedly used operationally for the first time in this strike. Based on the report, the attack took place during daylight, around 11 a.m. local time on July 24, 2025. Adding more crucial details to the analysis of the UMPB D-5's use, Militarny news outlet also revealed the technical specifics. It was confirmed that Russia launched the bomb using Su-34 fighter jets, dropping two smart bombs simultaneously from a distance of approximately 100 kilometers from the target. This strategy wasn't just about destructive power, it was also about calculated precision. Furthermore, the bombs were launched from an area near the village of Stroitel in Russia's Belgorod region, which lies far from the Ukrainian border. By doing this, Russia not only avoided Ukrainian air defense zones, but also minimized the risk of casualties among its troops. This shows that Russia isn't just deploying new technology, it's executing highly calculated strategies to protect its military assets while keeping pressure on Ukrainian positions. This strike wasn't just a show of force, it was a statement, a message that Russia now holds the capability to strike from afar, with deadly accuracy and minimal exposure, and that changes everything on the battlefield. And from here, the questions begin to rise. What exactly is the UMPB D-5? How destructive is it? Let's see what the data says. The strike on Kharkiv on July 24, 2025, didn't just mark a new chapter in Russia's military escalation, it also introduced a new precision weapon that had never been used in real combat before. The massive explosion that rocked the eastern part of the city didn't come from a conventional missile or combat drone, but from a new weapons system designed to deliver high-impact destruction from a very long range. Russia reportedly used the brand-new UMPB-5 precision-guided bomb for the first time in this airstrike on Kharkiv. This was confirmed by the Kharkiv Regional Prosecutor's Office, marking the operational debut of a high-tech weapon that's drawing serious attention on the modern battlefield. The UMPB D-5 is a precision glide bomb with an operational range of up to 100 kilometers, designed to function similarly to a short-range cruise missile. For further information, the details released by the Uncensored News Telegram channel, one of the UMPB D-5's advantages lies in its launch versatility. It can be deployed from a range of Russian fighter jets, including the Su-34, Su-30, and Su-35, and can also be launched from multiple launch rocket systems, MLRS. This versatility gives the UMPB D-5 a significant strategic edge, allowing it to be used effectively across different tactical environments. If we take a look at the range capability, the UMPB D-5's performance varies depending on altitude and launch speed. When dropped from an altitude of 10 to 12 kilometers at speeds of 900 to 1,000 kilometers per hour, the bomb can reach a distance of 90 to 100 kilometers, 120 kilometers. If released from 13,500 meters at speeds between 1.250 and 1.350 kilometers per hour, its range increases to 145 to 160 kilometers. Most notably, when used as the second glider stage from a 300mm rocket, its range can soar to an impressive 270 to 320 kilometers. The use of the UMPB D-5 in the Kharkiv strike clearly signals that Russia is increasingly relying on long-range weapons to hit rear-line targets in Ukraine. By launching attacks from relatively safe areas, Russia can avoid Ukrainian air defenses while minimizing risk to its own troops and pilots. This reveals a clear shift in Russia's military strategy toward greater efficiency, precision, and operational safety. Technology like this doesn't just raise the stakes on the battlefield. It also reflects how this war is evolving into a more complex, long-range, high-tech conflict. The precision strike on Kharkiv was more than just a military action. It signaled a shift in the very nature of modern warfare. With weapons like the UMPB D-5, Russia has demonstrated not only destructive power, but also strategic intelligence and technological advancement that can no longer be ignored. In a single move, Ukraine's defenses were tested from afar, without warning, without gaps. Now, the world watches as a new chapter unfolds. Can Ukraine withstand the wave of military innovation that grows ever more unreachable? We'll see it together later. Until then, thank you for watching.